Casa Ostina. Let's go diving!
Babaw Kabalen, welcome to Wherein, Pampanga. Para sa video na to, dadalhin namin kayo sa pinakabago naming staycation discovery dito sa Pampanga. Ito ang Casa Ostina, located sa may Barangay Santo Rosario, Santa Ana, Pampanga. Just 30 minutes drive away from San Fernando, Pampanga. Tara, samahan nyo kami at mamangha sa ganda ng Casa Ostina.
Nandito tayo sa pinaka-sentro ng ating staycation, and this is like the crossroad, no? Dito tayo nag-park. Doon sa right side niya is the multi-function area. So meron tayong dining, entertainment. Sa harapan niya nun is the pool area, yung villa number 2 and 3, this one. And at the back, identical po yan, parehong-pareho sila. And another amenity that you can enjoy, yung kanilang events place. Ayan, so another spacious area where you can have occasion, events. Yan, pwede po dito. So in the near future, like siguro pag lumaki na yung mga halaman talaga dito, and then the grass becomes greener, talagang mas Instagrammable pa tong lugar na to. So yun guys, we would like to thank them for inviting us, kasi nga ilang araw pa lang nagbukas ang Casa Ostina nung kami po ay na-invite. So it's a privilege, it's a pleasure for us to stay here, and yeah, let's enjoy the day. This time guys, nandito tayo sa kanilang, I can say it's a multi-function area, because dito po nandito ang ating outdoor kitchen, dining area, plus the living room and entertainment. So all in one place. So in here we have your tables, your sofa, meron po tayong TV dito, plus yung sink natin and the kitchen area is right here. So meron tayo ditong refrigerator, here's your sink, you have your cabinets to, you know, keep your things. Meron din tayong microwave oven, water dispenser, and ayun guys, ito yung ating parang pinaka-counter table dito. You can also prepare your food here, parang magiging buffet table na siya. Alright, time to swim, time to swim. So the kids are already enjoying the swimming pool. Ayan guys, palubog na rin yung araw. Ayan, kanina nakita namin yung sunset dito, ang ganda. And yeah, this is how it looks like. The time now is 6 o'clock. At ayun nga guys, nag-enjoy na yung mga bata at mga bata. Hi guys! Tutorial naman yung dito. Hey Luis, I'll give you my my camera na. I'll give you my camera, mag-vlog ka na.